Welcome to Peaceful Investor. If you are brand new to investing and don't know where to start, this video is for you. A lot of people think investing is complicated or only for experts, but the truth is, it doesn't have to be. Because anyone can start investing with a little knowledge and the right approach. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow and work for you. Thanks to the power of compounding, think of it like planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the bigger it grows over time. In this video, I'm going to keep things very simple and beginners friendly, showing you step by step how to get started, which platform you can use, what to invest in, and even share my personal preference. So by the end, you will have a clear idea of how you can begin your investing journey with confidence. Bringing these videos to you takes a lot of effort and time. And the only reason I make it because I genuinely want to provide value to my viewers. So if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video and sharing it with others so more people can learn and grow on their investing journey. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only, not a financial advice. Please do your own research before investing. Now let's talk where you should start, and platform I personally use is Interactive Brokers. And the reason is simple. It gives access to almost every major market in the world. The fees are very competitive and it's built for both beginners and advanced investors. You can buy stocks, ETFs, bonds, and much more all from one account. At first, the platform may feel a little complicated because of the number of tools and options it has. But once you get used to it, you realize how powerful it is. I am going to provide a link in the description. So if you want to use Interactive Brokers, you can download it from there. All you have to do is make an account and get started. Depositing and withdrawing money is free of cost. There are no extra charges, and even for me as a New Zealander, when I buy US stocks, I don't pay anything for currency conversion. The only fee I pay is just 35 USD cents per order under the tiered plan. And Interactive Broker also offers a fixed pricing plan which charges $1 minimum per order under the fixed scheme. For me, Interactive Broker is reliable, professional, and cost effective, which makes it a strong long-term choice for managing my investments. Once you set up your platform, the next step is to decide what to invest in. For beginners, one of the best and safest way to invest is by investing in index funds, especially the S&P 500 ETFs. Now, what is an ETF? ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund, and it's simply a basket of top 500 companies in the United States, like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and many others. So instead of buying one company and taking the risk if it goes down, you get small ownership in all 500 companies at once. This gives you instant diversification, steady long-term growth, and exposure to the strongest businesses in the world. The S&P 500 has historically delivered around 8 to 10% annual returns over the long run, making it one of the most reliable investments for building wealth over time. And the best part is, you don't have to monitor it every day. You just invest regularly and let compounding do its magic. When it comes to S&P 500 ETFs, there are three major names you will hear: Vanguard, iShares, and SPDR. And you will often see them listed by their ticker symbols. A ticker is just a short code, usually a few letters that uniquely identifies a stock or ETF on the exchange, making it easier to find and trade. For example, Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF trades under name VOO, iShares version as IVV, and SPDR as SPY. Even though all three tracks the same 500 companies in the S&P 500 index, the difference between them mainly comes down to cost, liquidity, and structure. Vanguard's VOO and iShares IVV both have one of the lowest expense ratios, around 0.03% per year, while SPY is slightly higher at about 0.09%. The good thing is that these ETFs trade just like regular stocks. You can buy or sell them anytime during market hours with a simple click of button. For long-term investors, VOO and IVV are often the cheaper and smarter choices. And personally, I prefer Vanguard VOO because of its low cost, strong reputation, and long-term mindset. In fact, when I started my investing journey about 3 years ago, the very first investment I made was in Vanguard ETF. And that's where I put my first $100. Over time, I have learned that consistency and patience matter more than timing the market. Whether you invest small or big, what is important is that you will start. So if you found value in this video, please subscribe to my channel Peaceful Investor and join me on this journey to learn, grow, and build financial freedom together. Remember, this video is for education purpose only and not a financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thank you.